is a TV remote control key. You can press just the light one time. If you want to go to the learn mode, you can press down the set key. Press down. Okay, then it go to learn mode. If you want to set the volume up, press it. Then using your TV remote, press the up key. You can say it already learned the key. It already learned the up the key. You can change another key down. Here you can press down. Okay, you find the press down key. It's already successful set. Let us exist preset. You can find the up is working. Down is working. The power off is the same. You can check it. You can press down the setup key. Okay, press the power off, TV power off, and here you can press power off. Okay, it already successfully learned. You can exist. You can check. This is power off. You can see it's a success power off. Okay.
Thank you.